Welcome loves to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be doing this really bright, pretty makeup look using some lipsticks and some cream products, concealers. If you're interested how to get this bright, vibrant look and to know a little bit more about my technique and my little secrets, keep on watching. I'm getting started with my NYX eye primer, my regular routine. And for now, I'm not going to be setting my lid because I want to create a lot of different colors on top of my lid, and today we're using the help of creams, and it's really interesting transformation I'm going to be showing you today because if you have liquid eyeshadows, that's really cool and go ahead use them. But in case you have no cream eyeshadows but you want to pop up with different colors on top, then always use some concealers or maybe even your lipsticks. I'm pretty much sure that you have matte lipsticks that are having like this matte finish. We're going to start with my concealer. This is e.l.f. CAMO concealer, and I use it to contour my shape, face of my shape. Right now, I'm going to be going with this beautiful small dot right here, and I'm going to set the whole lid with this concealer. I use big and fluffy brush. Now when I have depth with this beautiful brown color, I'm going to be going with this Moam Velvet Matte Lawn Wear Liquid Lip, and this dries out pretty quickly. I'm going to start with the small dots and then create some sort of shape first. And maybe if I need a little bit more, I'll add a little bit more. I have my flat brush and I'm getting a little bit of the color in the outer corner of my eye. And I'm going on top with the shade. I need more. I want to mix and match different colors in this look. I have my favorite eyeshadow palette, one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. This is Simple Beauty by Beth Painter. And the shade I'm going to place in the inner corner is going to be pumpkin. So it's really vibrant orange color. That is the main reason why I was thinking to balance this out maybe with gray and on top a little bit of the vinyl shade. Yes, we're going to start with a little bit different brush. First, every cloud, cover my eye, and let's stamp and set my previous shades with every cloud. To make sure that I have a beautiful shape, I'm going back with the same flat brush and adding this in the outer corner like that. And then again, we're going with the same color. With a little bit different brush, I'm gonna use my Morphe M433 brush. I'm using vinyl shades and going on top like that. The brown color from concealer is making it so much easier to layer product and brightening my eye. I'm going back with the same color but some leftovers because I feel like it's disconnecting from the line. If it still looks rough, use your finger, just pat it a few times. A little bit more of the same vinyl color. And I want to experiment, and today I'm using my NYX lipstick. This one is drying and I don't really like this lipstick for my lips, but I was thinking if I use it as my lid color, why not? It might look really, really pretty. Let's pick up some product on my brush. I guess this is gonna look extremely bright. First, I'm patting the color on, and then I'm curving a little bit my inner corner shape. I'm gonna set the color with pumpkin. I'm going with the same vinyl color, a little bit more on top. And for my lower lid, let's do a little bit of the Catrice. I'm using some brush that was for my concealer, and in the inner corner, I want to do a little bit of glitter. Yes, this one is really pretty. And of course, last but not least, I have my Huda Beauty. This is Matte and Metal Melted Eyeshadows. It has matte color and some sort of liner. I want to create a tiny little line in this area. Most definitely I'm using black eyeliner on top, and then I will coat my lashes with mascara. On the sides, I'm going to be doing a little bit of plum shade. We're going to start with a plum color. In the center, I'm going with this Eve Line lip cream. Don't want to ruin my brush. That's why I'm going with a lip brush. Mixing all together. In the center, I am going to be doing this Eve Line lip pencil. And on the sides, go in with the plum shade. And I want to top everything with a little bit of this Givenchy black lip gloss. I don't want to do a lot, just the tiniest bit. And that's it, guys. This is the final result of my eye makeup look using some Korean products as well as lipsticks. You can substitute it with a concealer. You can use white pencils, eye pencils. You can use some of your favorite lipsticks. Basically, it's better to use matte lipsticks that are drying out eventually. And yeah, it's going to look so much brighter, so much better. Give it a try. It is amazing. Love you all so much, and I hope I'm going to see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye.